Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make roasted chicken with a special seasoning sauce. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, I have here a whole chicken. It's around 1 kilo and 600 grams of weight. I rinsed it with the cold water very well. And now we're gonna make the brine for it. In a bowl, put 1 liter of cold water, a half cup of white vinegar, 4 spoons of salt. You can use any kind of salt. I'm here using the Himalayan salt, and a small spoon of curcuma. Mix all together until everything dissolves. Then add the chicken on it. Rub the chicken with the mixture that we have. Then cover it well and put it on the fridge for 3 hours. After 3 hours or so, take it out and rinse the chicken very well with the cold water. The next step, we're gonna do the seasoning sauce for our chicken. Let's see the ingredients of it. 1 head of peeled garlic, half cup of plain natural yogurt, half cup of vegetable oil, half cup of white vinegar, 1 small onion cut in 4, a half spoon of cinnamon, powdered cinnamon, a half spoon of black pepper, and 1 spoon of salt, 2 spoons of dry vegetables, and finally 1 liter of cold water. In a blender, put all the ingredients together and mix them all very well. In a bowl, add the seasoning sauce over the chicken. Cover it and leave it overnight on the fridge. The next day, take the chicken out and put it on a strainer to get rid of any liquid on it. After that, put the chicken on the oven tray. Then tie the chicken legs together and put it on the rotisserie like you see in the video. If you don't have a rotisserie, you can put the chicken on the oven tray and put it on the middle shelf of the oven. After you finish, put the chicken in the oven with the 200 degrees of temperature from the top and the bottom, and leave it cooking for at least 2 hours. And put some of the seasoning sauce on the oven tray and put it in the oven below the chicken. Every 20 minutes or so, add a little bit of the seasoning sauce that you have on the tray over the chicken to make sure that the chicken is not getting very dry. And leave it cooking for around 2 hours. Finally, this is our roasted chicken. You can eat it with a roasted potato. If you don't know how to make a roasted potato, I'm gonna leave you the link below this video. That's all for today, my friends. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.